Yes, I don't remember the number package. Knowledge is not for free. Pay attention. Richard Feynman. Yes, so this is the package for a blood cleanser. What this cannot move out of the blood does not exist. So these are three dosage. They are the same thing. These three are the same thing. You just get to see what they look like. These three are the same thing. So this is a root. This is a leaf and stem. And this is a bark. And this is leaves and stem. Make your medicine be your food and your food be your medicine. Blood cleanser. Next package in line. Thank you, client, for believing in nature. I did not charge for these herbs. They are for free. All I charge for is the knowledge. Knowledge is not for free. Pay attention. Richard Feynman.